Let me show you how easy it is to assemble it. On each of the bits, they match up. So we're just going to do a puzzle. The nose part faces up and the big part faces up. Move the little goggle part of it out of the way. Connect this. You're going to line up these little parts. We've got small, big, medium, and the same for here. Small, big, medium. So it's easiest if you just find the smallest one or the biggest one. I found the smallest one's easiest, and line those up. So I'm going to take the small one and line it up with the small one. And if you do that, it snaps right on. And then you're going to turn it in the direction of the arrow until it stops. And then once you've done that, it looks like that. And then turn it. And then it's on for good. Put that on there. Press it down really good. Make sure it's going to stay. So far, so good. Then it's a matter of making sure that it fits properly. It's got lots of ways to adjust it. Adjust it very easily. As you're adjusting it, you want to make sure there are no leaks. So you're going to put it on and check to see that nothing is getting in and nothing is getting out. It's going to be pretty hot, and it'll be pretty hot in there too. Oh, hey, let me interrupt everything for just a second. Did you know that when you use my links that I always have linked below in every video, that you're supporting our channel? We're not monetized. We don't have any sponsors. So whenever you use our links, it means we make a little money so that we can buy more stuff to make more content. It's a way to support our channel, and it's really appreciated. All right, you can get back to the video now. Everything is adjustable. Once you have that, check for air leaks, and then you're good to go. If not, continue to adjust until everything fits perfectly. I feel like I'm Darth Vader now. What you think? It's not terribly heavy. It's surprisingly not heavy and pretty decently comfortable. If you're wearing this all day, you may not think so. But if you're wearing this for an hour or two at a time, you could probably live with it. It's very cushiony. This is comfortable, padded silicone. Pretty lightweight, but after a couple hours, it'll feel heavy. And this is your typical skiing goggles. It's got this part right here that leans against your face and gives a really good seal. These are extremely lightweight, helping it to be comfortable. This is a nice stretch to it. These fit perfectly. I'm very tiny, and that will not only accommodate my small head, but will stretch out to fit you giant-headed people. Hope that helps.